Hi, I'm Luke North at WJ Titan, and you are in the lab. Today we're going to be talking about the two different types of 3D printers we use here at WJ Titan. The first one we have is our FFF, Fused Filament Fabrication, or also known as FDM printers. They use a filament, comes on a roll like this. It's just a string of plastic that goes into the printer and heats up inside of the nozzle of the printer into a molten plastic and is printed onto the print bed, and then cools down after it's done printing and gives you your fixture. The other type of printer we use is a SLA or a Stereolithography printer, and it uses resin such as this and a laser to cure the resin and harden it to make your fixture. The big difference between the two is the SLA printer, the resin can be a lot more detailed on little tiny intricate details and come out a lot smoother, but there is a lot more post-processing that has to be done when using it. You have to wash the part after it comes off the printer, you have to cure it to harden it, while the filament printer, you just take it off the machine and it's ready to go. Using these two different printers gives us a lot of options to help out our customers with whatever their needs are, whether it's a medical company that needs some sort of gauge with little tiny details, or you can use the filament if you just have a prototype that you want to make sure works before you start getting into tooling and injection molding and all that stuff. So the filament printers are generally a lot quicker to get a print finished, not to mention all the post-processing that can take close to an hour or longer if you have to sand and stuff with the resin prints. We've seen a print with filament go for 15 minutes while it took over 2 hours on the resin printer. Like I said, my name is Luke North. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at WJ Titan.